Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
I gotta start branding my name. I gotta do better and move on to bigger things. I listened to my mama and I stayed up out the streets. I opened up my mind so I can see all of my dreams. I put so much work in, I can spell team with a 9. They thought I was a killer when I believed that I could fly. Between me and you, there's a difference in you and I. Some things you love more be the thing that just have to die. She thought I was just a plain Jane. Started moving different, driving all these cars, you know that I be switching lanes. I be moving fast, I'm trying to get up off my feet.
Cari crew, what did it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with, as you can see, another POV, man. Some slight with it. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm just popping out recording something, man. I feel like recording. I always feel like recording. You know what I'm saying? I just be needing an idea or just a little motivation to record. But anyway, man, nevertheless, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, put a little gas in the car, just a little bit, another minute video. I might get y'all some outside footage today, I don't know. But right now, you know what I'm saying, we just finna, it's just the intro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might be cutting up, you know what I'm saying? Just making noise as usual, but I'm gonna try to get y'all some outside footage this time. A little better quality outside footage, a little fly-bys, really. Try to get y'all some fly-bys. We'll know by the title of the video, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. But right now, we just, you know what I'm saying, starting the video off, just the intro. But yeah, man, on the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. And yeah, roll these windows down. Get y'all boys some of the good quality sound, man. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all boys some good quality sound. I see you rolling the windows down. I ain't rolling down too much. Roll down the back. Yeah. See the B on the seat, man. I'm thinking about getting my interior did. I don't know what I'm gonna do though. There's a lot of stuff I just got in mind, but I don't know what I wanna do. I just gotta see, man. Playing the waiting game with a lot of stuff, Cari crew. But yeah, man, get your boy to 10K, man, so we can, man, the more we go up, man, the more littier we can get, man. Okay, we got a challenge like a scat. They got the rims of a scat. I can't zoom in that far, but y'all see. Let's see that, man. We got the right color. Oh, that is a scat. It's a feet. Oh, it's lady driven. Okay. She driving that mud just like a lady. Well, yeah, man. Gotta get your boy to 10K, man. Well, we on the way to 9K. But you know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 10K. You know what I'm saying? That's just the beginning. You know what I'm saying? We just not warming up. You know what I'm saying? That's the beginning, but it seems so long to get. Like, it's like the goal. It's not the goal. It's a goal, but it's not the ending goal. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Above and beyond, Cari crew, above and beyond. We're gonna go ahead and put it in mode in. Put in the light sport mode. Sport mode is my favorite mode, man. Y'all didn't know. Oh my lord, I ain't even try to do that. You know what I'm saying? Sport mode just so, that's why I love it, man. Sport mode just so lovely. Like I said, man, if you don't drive in sport, you're a dork, nigga. Oh, I love that. Bro, I love that downshift from 5th to 4th, bro. That shit is, oh my lord. Bro, I love that downshift from 5th to 4th, bro. Like, just listen, watch. Hold on. Just watch, bro. Now, that wasn't the right one, but hey, that's still good. That bit was still good, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, Cari crew, man, to give y'all a little nice little sound footage, man. Sound test 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. The bus with it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the bus back there. But yeah, man, nice little POV, man. Man, we starting to get pollen already, bro. Like, I got pollen on my car, like, y'all see the little marks, bro? Like, all kind of pollen, bro. Ooh. Check out the gas mileage, though. Y'all ain't messing with me, man. 21 miles per gallon in the scat in sport mode, nigga. In sport mode, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Should I do a manual lunch? What y'all think? Hell no. They be gonna spin like crazy. But yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. It feel like my camera ain't as wide as it usually be, bro. I feel like the wide angle, they cheat me on the wide angle, bro. Ooh. That mug is not as, you know what I'm saying, wide out as it usually be. Or maybe I'm just holding it wrong. Man, it sounds so much crazier in person, bro. Y'all just don't even know, bro. Like, look at bro over there. Bro finna go fishing. He look like, what the hell? But yeah, man. That's a slight little cutting up, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm trying to get y'all a little outside footage, bro. But you know, it's just a POV of vlog me checking in. I always check in with y'all boys, man. Y'all comment down below how you know what I'm saying? What poppin'? What good with you, man? What good news you done got? What you got going on this week, man? You know what I'm saying? What kind of whip you looking at? Comment down below, man. Just anything, man. Let me know you watching the video, you tuned in. That's how y'all check in. That roll call. We're doing roll call from now on with the comment. You know what I'm saying? I want you to like the video well, but hey, if you don't like it, comment it. If you don't like liking video, comment on the video. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go the same way, brother. Look at that Tesla. Look at that Tesla, bro. But yeah, man. Comment down below. What's your favorite car, man? Comment down below what's your favorite car. If you're watching the video right now, I made it this far. What is your favorite car, bro? You know what I'm saying? What you like? Lambos, M4s, Mercedes, AMG, what? Mustang, Camaro, you know what I'm saying? Cat. You know what I'm saying? Pick your poison. Pick your poison. We got traffic in front of me, as y'all can see. They got a little swirly. Got a little swirly on that. Oh, Lord. Olivia, man. What you popping like that, man? Lord. Hold on. So we pass that fire hydrant, we gone. But yeah, man. I'm gonna turn the camera back on, you know what I'm saying, if I get these flybys or not. But I just wanted to record, you know what I'm saying, while I'm driving right now, you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do about these flybys, man. If not, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. If I can't find a way to do it, you know what I'm saying, make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your boy that 10K the quick way, man. I appreciate all the love and all that, man. And I'm out.